So what's going on, everybody? It's JA here, and for today's video we're going to be unboxing my latest pickup from New Balance, the 610 Silver Metallic. So just a quick spoiler, I'm really digging these joints, definitely adding these to the personal collection. So I'm excited to tell you why I'm feeling these so much, but first we kind of got to give a little backstory behind this model and this silhouette, which I thought originally was a new silhouette, but in typical New Balance fashion, this is a retro model brought back with a slight upgrade to bring it to a more modern audience and make it a little bit more wearable and functional. So the 610 actually debuted back in 2012, and what we have now with this upgrade, of course, you have a new sole and then a slightly different upgrade to the upper of this model with some different materials used to kind of give it a more lifestyle appeal, which the 610 obviously was a trail shoe, as you guys tell from the sole of this sneaker, as well as with the rope laces, as well as the pull tab on the back. But this time, the 2022 version, which came back last year, has been slightly upgraded to make it more of a lifestyle model. And I feel like with this colorway, this metallic and silver colorway, definitely gives it that Y2K modern, but retro futuristic type of look. So this sneaker right here retails for $119 to $129, depending on where you get it from. This was actually a European release, so these were 119 euros, which comes out to be around 129 US. So I've been eyeing the 610 for a little while now. JA is not about to hit any trails, but I felt like this shoe kind of gives me a dad shoe vibe, and I just like the simplistic overall look to this model. With different versions of the 610, they tried out different materials, but I feel like with this metallic silver colorway, I just had to pull the trigger. So with this version right here, you have a combination of mesh as well as leather on the upper. Of course, you have the metallic silver colorway on top of the white mesh. And with the paneling, I feel like it gives this sneaker some definitely cool characteristics. I love the touches and the hints of green in there. And what really, I feel like, sets off this shoe, you may not be able to tell from the lighting right here, but the midsole actually kind of gives off a vintage age type of look, which most definitely is trending at the moment. So I feel like with the overall look of this shoe, it definitely accomplishes that metallic silver look that I was going for. And with the comfort, it's great. I feel like with New Balance, there's nothing to like write home about in terms of comfort, but you have a firm sole and they feel good. So I would say the comfort is like what you would come to expect. With the 610 though, this silhouette I would say is a little more narrow than some of the other New Balance models like the 2002R or the 1906R. So just be aware of that. But I went ahead and went true to size 10.5, and these feel great. So I would say if you have a wider foot, you could possibly half size up, but true to size definitely worked out for me when it comes to this model. So in terms of durability, I have no clue how these are gonna hold up. As I mentioned, I'm not gonna be hitting the trail in these, but in terms of a lifestyle model, I feel like coming in at that 119 to 129 price point, you can't beat it. Plus, I love the metallic silver colorway. As I've mentioned several times, I feel like anything that New Balance adds that colorway to is amazing. So for me, this is a great everyday sneaker. I feel like the clean color palette makes this shoe just so wearable. I feel like there's nothing that you can't really go wrong when it comes to wearing with these joints right here. And I think this metallic silver colorway really is hitting off for me as a Yeezy fan, because it kind of gives me the colorway of the, kind of reminds me of the 700 V2 Static with that white silver colorway. So I just think these are super clean. So I would love to know what you guys think about these. In terms of picking these up, I believe this release is just regional only, so you can find these right now on a lot of European websites. I happen to grab these from Asphalt, which they charge you a small little price for shipping, but it's really quick for a European site. I think I got these in maybe like 3 to 4 days after ordering them. And I do appreciate, you know, the regional exclusive releases, because based on the fact these aren't available on US websites, it kind of makes these almost a little more exclusive in the fact that it's probably not a sneaker that you're gonna see everybody wearing from day to day. So as sneakerheads, you know, we kind of have to like we do prefer and kind of like a little bit of exclusivity, not to be a super hype beast, but you know, we do appreciate to have a shoe that kind of stands out and is unique in the bunch. So I feel like this shoe definitely fits that bill. If you're looking for these, they are on a few available European sites, like a few Asphalt where I picked these up, but I believe my 10.5 has already sold out. So maybe this is a trending look. This is my favorite look of the moment right now. So let me know what you guys think about these. Drop your feedback down below, and let me know if you ever tried the New Balance 610, if you're feeling them, and what other New Balance silhouettes you recommend. By the way, I got lucky on the ALD 860 V2 raffle, so I'm excited to check out the blue pair coming soon. So a lot of you guys have hit me up to let me know that you were successful on that raffle as well. So let me know which colors you picked up. Excited to have a review of those coming soon here on the channel. So I appreciate all of y'all for tuning in. Drop your feedback down below. I'm JA. Stay safe, stay blessed, and I'm out, y'all. Love.